Our journey began with a vision to deliver world-class electrical engineering solutions with unwavering quality and precision. Through innovation and excellence, we've earned a trusted reputation in the industry. At Power Solutions Private Limited, we provide cutting-edge power solutions that drive progress, empowering businesses and industries across Pakistan. Our success has been driven by continuous growth and evolution. In 2020, we expanded our operations and transformed from Power Solutions to Power Solutions Private Limited, marking a new era of excellence in manufacturing, design, and execution. Today, with a team of over 200 skilled professionals, we operate nationwide, delivering high-performance electrical and power solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our commitment to quality and excellence is reinforced by our integrated management system, accredited with ISO 9001 for quality assurance, ISO 14001 for environmental responsibility, and ISO 45001 for workplace safety. These certifications underscore our dedication to maintaining the highest industry standards in both our products and operations. With the grace of Allah Almighty and the relentless efforts of our dedicated team, we achieved a significant milestone in 2022, becoming a certified panel builder partner of Schneider Electric. This prestigious partnership allows us to design, assemble, test, and deliver world-class Prisma Plus, Special SF, and Universal Enclosures, type tested, switchboard solutions that meet international benchmarks for safety, reliability, and efficiency. Specializing in electrical power solutions, we manufacture a wide range of medium voltage and low voltage switchgear, including automatic transfer switch panels, synchronization panels, control panels, power factor, improvement panels, and AC and DC distribution boards for all type of applications. Additionally, we produce high-quality cable trays and cable ladders that comply with the latest global standards. Beyond switchgear and cable tray, our expertise extends to security and power infrastructure solutions. We manufacture line conditioners, IPS, and tower light controllers in compliance with PTA standards. Our specialized product line includes power distribution units, IoT-enabled security locks, customized battery and rectifier cabinets, and armored enclosures with cutting-edge security features designed to prevent battery theft and enhance site safety at BTS installations. At Power Solutions Private Limited, we operate on a zero-dependency business model, ensuring full in-house control over our production process. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest CNC machines for precision sheet cutting and bending, an advanced fabrication setup, and a state-of-the-art powder coating facility compliant with the international C4 corrosion protection standard. With a comprehensive sheet pre-treatment system and chemical testing lab, we maintain the highest levels of durability and performance. To guarantee premium quality, we use high-purity copper sourced from imported cathode-grade material, refined in an electric furnace to meet international standards. With 99.99% purity, 100% international annealed copper standard conductivity, and zero cavity formation. Additionally, we operate an in-house tin coating plant to enhance performance and longevity. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control at each production stage, with final testing and compliance reports provided to clients. Our commitment to quality extends beyond manufacturing. We directly import components from globally recognized manufacturers and authorized distributors, ensuring authenticity and traceability. Each purchase comes with complete documentation, including test reports and product delivery challenges, reinforcing our promise of excellence. With a relentless focus on customer satisfaction, Power Solutions Private Limited is proud to serve over 250 valued clients nationwide. From commercial enterprises to industrial leaders, our solutions power a diverse range of sectors, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and performance. Power Solutions Private Limited, where innovation meets excellence. With a vision for a smarter, more sustainable future, we continue to lead the industry, delivering state-of-the-art power solutions that drive progress. Partner with us for quality, reliability, and a commitment to powering the future. Quality and originality is our core value. Thank you for your valuable time and attention.